Alright, my people. Now welcome back again to a lot of boga crazy update. To announce the matter they be. Before we enter the matter where carry us come here, I go make una like, share this video. At the same time, my people, I beg make una subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop the video, you go be the first person to see on one hand. Alright, my people, as you do that, I pray may God kindly bless you and reward you. Amen. Alright, may we enter the matter where carry us come here low time. Alright, my people, the first thing I want to make we talk about for here now issue between our celebrity, two of our celebrity, whether they call Tiwa Savage and this girl where they call Seyi Shay. When I see the matter where they happen between both of those two people, they don't get beef for a long time now. But this one where it happen, it be like say the thing don't they pass, be careful. Where be say two of them come they fall out for inside hairdressing salon where they meet themselves yesterday. So I dey try make I share this video for here for now, make una see the small part of the video. May you tell me wetin you really reason concern the matter, how the matter take play, whether it really makes sense or not. Meanwhile, for me, wetin I really see for there be say those people they don't really need to disgrace themselves like this, because they both of them they be youth, and at the same time many things where they happen for that country where be say we do, so we really need to unite so that we fit tackle some kind of way they happen. All right, make you see the video, may you tell me wetin you really reason concerning wetin they happen. So
I'm quiet. I don't say anything. I'm not going to respond publicly. I don't want to disgrace you or embarrass you or me because we're grown. But don't think you guys can do what you do. Don't think you can do what you do.
I'm not going to listen to this. You got your facts wrong, so that's up to you.
Listen, don't come to me and think you can say hi with the dirty and disgusting spirit that you have. The dirty, disgusting spirit that you have. You think I've forgotten how many years ago what you guys did, you and Victoria Kamani? You think I've forgotten? You think I can forget?
Tima, what are the things that you have done? Like what? You want me to open out everything here? I'm not like you. I'm not going to do that.
Open it.
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 Open what?
Open it.
alright, my people, show una see the way the matter take play. I no fit play the full video here because the video still get as it take long small. Make una just go check out how the matter just take play. Meanwhile, for me, I know say wetin Tiwa Savage do for there, it really dey bad because of the kind words wey be say they come dey use for themselves for this same public place wey be say they dey so. But for me, I somehow still believe say she dey right. If you be my friend, be my friend. If you be my enemy, show yourself say you be enemy. You no go beef me publicly, then you come meet me for kind private place. You won't come let people know or ask say na you be my personal person. Make una check wetin this lady post because of this same matter of Tiwa Savage and Seyi Shay wey dey happen. So this lady say, if you don't like me, keep the same energy in real life, period. Nobody has time for fake greetings. Beefing someone that bigger than you and can help you is a very stupid thing. Shey una see wetin this one even talk the same thing wey be say I dey talk. So don't show me fake love where you know say inside your mind you hate me. Alright, my people, may you drop your comment and your opinion below concerning this matter about Tiwa Savage and Seyi Shay. May you tell us wetin you yourself you really reason about it. Alright, may we move at another matter we carry us come here no time. Alright, my people, this one a very funny one wey be say I wan just show now. So make una check out our youth corps. People wey be say na school now they send them one. Now see the way that they trade the concerning the with the years of rumors concerning the UAR wey be say they won't call the sense of corpus to war, make them go the fight for Nigeria matter. Sure, now they see the way the training they go, so it be like say our female girls they don't even still ready for the training. But I don't know how na raising the matter, but this video I just see as a very video, so I just put on that way because of the rumors where they go out. But for me, what I really see is that the kind of maternity way with the really the show for that country where they call Nigeria, where this one take up consign youth service and all those things where people they really they do for there. And many things just did that country where be say they just they waste many people time or the name of saying a service like they go do. Alright, my people, more than see the small shot of the video, may you tell me your opinion and tell us what you really reason about them. All of my people, show now don't see the way the video, the matter take go. So make you drop your comment, your opinion, so that when we enter another matter, we carry us come here. No time. All right, my people, make una check out this video of those group of guests where be say I come across this video now. It really did somehow to me, but I would like make una give una opinion concerning what una they see for here, because somehow everything most of the girls they try to they blame boy inside relationship, but the way una they see those girls now, at the end of the day, if you be guy will be say they really they date this kind of girl, you go feel green head up to marry any one of those girls will be say those girls as now they see they so now igbo now those girls just a smoke. In case you don't know what they call igbo la weed, now all those girls just a smoke for there. So last they go they find my way be say they won't settle down with. The kind way this our generation things stay they go bad, things stay they happen, especially for the girls aspect, the way things stay they go. I really they imagine the way the generation of our own children will be. But I really pray, may God guide and protect each and every one of us. We be say we still try to make things they right. I know they perfect, but at the same time we really need to encourage ourselves. Make una see this video, make una see the way the matter take play. May you give your comment and your opinion below. Tell me what you really reason about the matter.
I'm getting mad. So what's the fun? Who be risky? Why you risky? Get 50, but everybody risky. Kilograms, I'm getting mad. Biggie mad. So what's the fun? Who be risky? Get 50, but everybody risky.
Alright, my people, sure now don't see the way the video matter take place. So may you tell me if you as a guy whether you would like to associate yourself with this kind of girl, constant and this kind of girl you want to settle down with as your wife. Just give your comment and your opinion below. May we enter another matter we carry us come here. All right, my people, make una check out this video. Make una reason for the country where we say we will come from as in Nigeria, where that person go fit try this kind of thing to the president of that country. Make una see the way this guy and the way they see this guy na immigrant na go even be for France. The way they slap this France president where they call Macron. Make una see the way the matter take play. If really say na Africa this kind of thing for happen, whether this guy, whether na arrest they go even arrest her or na instant deadline, na shoot they go even shoot her for there. The way me they know, the way they take the guide and they serve all those our leaders for Africa, especially Nigeria, serve the way that they serve the rich. More see this video, more tell me what you really reason if this kind of person try this kind of slap president, whether he go even see the daylight of that day or whether he go even reach in the night before they go finish that guy or not. Wanna share the video, more you tell me what you think.
Oh! Oh!
Alright, my people, show us see how the matter take play. Show us see the way the matter take place. So just give your comment and your opinion. At the same time, I beg may you subscribe to this channel so that we will be seeing a lot of things where we say we will talk about. At the same time, may you press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you will see at one time. Alright, may we enter another matter where carry us come here a lot time. Alright, my people, make una check out this video. May you tell me as a man we be say maybe as a married man or as a man we be say you get pregnant woman for house and you see your pregnant woman they dance naked for stage like this, what you go really be your reaction. Make una check out this video of this lady we be say she did dance for stage to the extent say the cloth where she wear can even pull off, we be say her body can dey show the way una they see this thing for this video. So tell me as a man your reaction, whether the reaction where this guy take for you, whether the guy really do well or not. But for me, the guy somehow he did wrong to the reason for pregnant woman and to the beat that woman for that for on top of that stage. Because for me, as a guy, before you marry that woman, you're supposed to know the kind of lifestyle we be say that lady she dey live. Na person wey be say no matter anyhow you yourself you know say nothing go fit stop am from all those public stuff wey be say she dey do. Despite say this lady get belle, for you to still see say still fit do this kind of thing, that one go make you know say the lifestyle wey she dey live before she even get that belle or before she marry na very anyhow life, and this guy still go ahead to marry her. Alright my people, make una see the video more and tell me wetin be your opinion concerning the matter wey take place. Alright my people, before I end this video, make una see this post where this lady try to talk for here. She says, so disappointed in the witches or wizard we have in this country. Una no go join hand do something to this crazy politician. If na to tie innocent man destiny for bottle, una go rush. Share the feel me. They say those winch they no go join hand take fight those politicians, but if not to tie innocent person destiny, they go rush do am one time. But this lady no, he can't forget say power pass power. Even winch they get their oga. Those our politicians, the way that the evil they behave self, we self, the evil they fear, the evil devil self. Not the evil they fear most of our politicians. So sister, this how you they talk so a logo feel work for the country over there because now there be the oga of the wish. Alright my people, thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Make you drop your comment and your opinion, and at the same time my people, make you like, share, subscribe to this channel so that make you press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video you will be the first person to see at one time. Alright my people, see you in my next video. Bye.